What is going on, guys? Welcome to another episode of This Versus That. Today we're gonna talk about how I protect my gears during the Holi Festival that I did a couple of weeks ago. So the one thing I did learn last year was that it doesn't matter how much you like to protect your gears, it's not gonna happen during a Holi Festival where they're throwing a bunch of powder at you. These powders, they get into your camera, they get into your lens, in between it, everything. Blowing it out works, but it's a bit hard. Your white buttons are gonna turn pink. So this year I decided to do something different. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed that episode. Make sure you hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed to us yet, please do so. And we will see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.